Hello guys, good morning. We are going to harvest an ampalaya or bitter melon here, and we are going to cook there in the store. Yeah, so here we go guys. We are going to harvest the bitter melon over here. This is good for diabetes, so that's the reason I planted this kind of vegetable, because I know that it could help me too. Yeah, so here we go guys. We're going to cut or harvest the bitter melon. Here, see this? See, it's bigger. It's bigger guys. Right, we will here we have another here guys. The good thing with this guys is organic. I didn't put any fertilizer or pesticide for this plant that I got. If it is have a fertilizer, the fruit is not like this. It's longer than here. Nice. See? Yeah, this one. I get 3 of them. 3 pieces. So this is our food today. Yeah. So it has some fruits that come in to be harvested, just like that. Yeah, and it has here already also, and that one, and it has so many flowers, and then it has here also. Yeah, so we have here the new one, which is Eloise planted last time, and it needs to put a trellis also. So, and look at this. So this is that's the fruit of this squash guys, and it needs to put like this, so that the bees will not suck the juices of the flowers, and the fruit would be growing better. So look at that, our coconut. It has already a lot of fruits, but did you see it? The other there, that one, I will going to cut that coconut tree, because it's broken the floor of my pig pens, and then I will gonna extend another pig pens over here, because the other there is all the mommy pigs are over there. So we here in this area are the the fattening that we call it, which is we are going to raise all the babies of the mommy pig. We're going to transfer over here, and then I will dig a hole for their dirt, so that it will not contaminate the, you know, the some other owner of the land. So they are complaining on us, so we need to dig a big hole for their dirt, so that we're not bothering some other, you know, especially this area that it has a sugar cane plantation. He is complaining on us because of the dirt of the pigs. So we are going to dig at this portion after this squash. We're going to clean in this area, and then we are going to build new pig pens for the fattening, or the pigs that I am going to raise. So thank you for watching. Bye bye guys. So thank you for watching guys. I really appreciate you all that you are watching my video over here in my bitter melon plant. Thanks.